everyone, welcome back to my channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're going to dive into some quick tips that will help you master English in no time. Whether you're just starting out or looking to brush up on your skills, these tips are for you. Tip number 1. Practice daily, even if it's just for 10 minutes. You don't need to study for hours to improve your English. Consistency is key. Spend just 10 minutes a day reading, listening, or practicing speaking, and you'll see steady improvement. Think of it like brushing your teeth. Just a few minutes each day can make a big difference in your language skills. Tip number 2. Immerse yourself in English. Surround yourself with the language as much as possible. Watch English movies, listen to English songs, or even change your phone's language settings to English. Immersion helps you get used to the rhythm and patterns of the language, making it easier to understand and speak. Tip number 3. Use technology to your advantage. There are countless apps and online resources designed to help you learn English. Duolingo, Memrise, and even YouTube are great tools for improving your skills on the go. These apps make learning interactive and fun, and you can use them whenever you have a few spare minutes. Tip number 4. Practice speaking, even if you're alone. Speaking out loud helps reinforce what you've learned. If you don't have a conversation partner, try recording yourself or even talking to yourself in English. It might feel silly at first, but it's a powerful way to build your confidence and fluency. Tip number 5. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Learning a new language is all about trial and error. The more mistakes you make, the more you learn. So, don't be shy, practice as much as you can and embrace those mistakes as part of the process. Remember, every mistake is an opportunity to improve. So, let's quickly recap the tips. Practice daily, even if it's just for 10 minutes. Immerse yourself in English through media and daily life. Use technology to your advantage with language learning apps. Practice speaking out loud, even if you're alone. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Follow these tips, and you'll see improvement in your English skills in no time. Remember, the key is consistency and having fun with the process. You've got this. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks on mastering English. Also, leave a comment below and let me know which tip you're going to try first. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.